welcome to my channel. My today's video is going to be on a very serious issue that we all face, which is hair fall. And today we are going to be discussing everything that we need to do to avoid any kind of hair loss or hair fall. But before we get into the video, let me give you a small preview of my blog Valencia. Oh wow, you have such thick hair, you have such big hair, and honestly I never have liked my hair because they are really big and the volume is like huge, and I've always done treatments to kind of put it down and like make it straighter and thinner. And now I realize that why was I doing that? Like people crave for like thick hair, nice hair, because they always have hair fall problems, and I'm here trying to run away from this thick hair that I have. So I was like, forget everything, I'm going to keep my natural hair because they are really voluminous and they're amazing. And so today I'm going to be giving you all some tips on how you can prevent hair loss. And the first thing is the most basic thing that all of us must do is oil massage our hair. You can use any oil, whether it's coconut oil or onion oil or olive oil or mustard oil or whichever oil it is. I really definitely support massaging your hair with oil because it really regulates the blood flow in your scalp, and that really promotes good hair growth, and definitely prevents the hair from falling, or basically just keeps your hair really strong. The second one is don't use extra hot water on your hair. I've said this in my previous videos as well. It's not going to really, make condition your hair better or anything. It's going to actually ruin your hair. So do not use hot water on your hair. Please use lukewarm water, and also heating products. I have said this before. I have been off heating products since 4 months now, and that has really improved the quality of my hair. So please avoid this because it damages your hair, and that's what actually causes so much hair fall that you can't even imagine. The third one is don't scrub your hair and totally ruin everything that your shampoo and conditioner have done. Just pat dry your hair after you've completely washed it. Just treat it really nice. Treat it like a pet if you have to. Just pat dry it and just move it really slowly, just to dry it and let it naturally air dry, because otherwise you're really going to break your hair from the middle, and that's going to cause a lot of frizz in your hair. Now I know a lot of people who don't brush their hair or comb their hair thinking that, oh wow, that's like the thing or the way to go. But actually you should regularly comb your hair. Of course not over comb your hair because that is going to cause breakage, but regularly at least 3-4 times a day comb your hair, because that again regulates the blood in your scalp and definitely promotes more hair growth and avoids any kind of hair fall or hair loss. For the fifth one, I have said this in my Insta stories also a lot, that you must tie your hair and sleep not extra tight, because that will again cause breakage of your hair. Don't leave it loose, because when you're twisting and turning, you are definitely going to end up breaking your hair. So just tie it in a very loose bun, and if you're not comfortable in a bun, a really loose pony, so that your hair is still intact. It's not swinging around when you're sleeping, and it's not breaking apart. So it's still in good strength, and it's still well maintained basically. Sixth one is just you need a good sleep for good skincare. You need for your dark circles, for example. You need good sleep for your hair as well. Trust me, you sleep for good 8 hours, so 7 to 8 hours also. If you sleep, you will definitely see a better hair experience, and you just the way you experience better skin, you will experience better hair as well for sure. And my last one is something that we all ignore. Even I honestly ignore this sometimes. But basically the UV rays that hit our hair right now. Of course, we have no SPF that we can put on our hair. But we definitely are in a generation where there are a lot of scarves. There are a lot of materials that can help us cover our hair. So when you're traveling, when you're on the heat or on the sun, as much as you can, try and just cover your hair so that the UV rays is not directly touching your hair and it's not causing that frizz, and that will definitely improve the quality of your hair and definitely prevent hair loss. So this was it, guys. These were my points and knowledge on how you can prevent hair loss. This was my knowledge sharing series to you today, bringing to you everything that I know about how you can prevent hair loss. Of course, there are lots more things that you can put in a regime to give more strengthening hair. I have done a few videos on that as well before, which you can check, but these are a few basic points in case you need to know. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you all are watching it, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon in another knowledge sharing series of mine. Bye bye.